Daddy never runs out of surprises. So, here we go. We're in it.
Churchareran, Daddy.
Okay. I guess this is the day. This is the day. Look. That is.
Going to park.
That
That
is on his knees. And you know what a guy does when he's on his knees? He's gonna pull out something. What is this something? Look at mommy, oh. Look at mommy lang. Here is your surprise. The bat. Are you having fun? No, you lang.
I'm the bad guy. Duh.
Say hello to my vlog. Alright guys, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Is it hot?
I never remember your vlog for the very first time.
Yeah.
Look.
Don't shout. Not too loud. Not too loud. Is it hot na? Not yet. Video.
Hi to your side. 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 Happy birthday!
Alright, bayanan natin ito mamaya. Samahan nyo mga batas. DIY tayo sa bahay. Yeah, I want to know what it is. So talaga pag tito na. Yes, salamat ulit sa homebodies. Sa mga inspirasyon nila. So, ito na yung installation. It ain't that perfect. Pero ang ganda, di ba? Okay, DIY mga kabada. Meron pa tayong kakabit dito. Hahanapan ko pa ng space. Meron pa akong ganun. Dalawa maliit pa season nito. So, pag-isipan ko muna kung saan ko lalagay. See you later. Hey guys, we're gonna jog today. They're getting warmed up. I'm gonna start running. Bye bye. Hey guys, 4 laps. And look at Gia. She's not tired. Are you tired?
No.
Daddy's tired after 4 laps. That's 400 meters. So hot.
Tired na doon na tired.
Tired na, wala sila. Bukas try ko na madaling araw. 5 laps. Tirik na ako. Kailangan practice, maraming practice. Ngayon lang ako nag-jogging ulit. Pawa ko muna yung camera kay Gia. Gia, oh!
Hi guys, I'm gonna ride while holding the vlog.
Yeah, it's my jogging vlog.
Yeah.
Show mommy.
Goodbye. So cold. So cold. This is sweaty. Okay, let's go. Where we live. This is Lolo. This is Lolo. Oh! Jogging!
Tuloy kasama mo, nawala na. Ba't mo naman ako kinukuha ng video? Ah? Kinukuha ako ng video? O kala ko nagja-jogging kayo?
Ako nagpapahinga sila. Go jog again.
Jogging again, jogging again.
So, this is me. I'm Gia, and I'm an artist. Hello, girl. I hope Tommy is dying in my back. But true, I said it. So jogging, jogging, jogging. Hello.
Hi. Turn. Careful.
I want to rest.
Oh, just rest. Ang sasakit ng katawan niya.
Last run. Dito tayo sa starting point. Hanggang dun. Alright guys, happy Sunday. We're about to have some yummy breakfast with my lovely mommy. Okay, and we have some. Come on, look, come here. Look at the breakfast after the Sunday run. We have hot dogs. We have tempura. We have ano to?
Calamari.
Calamari. Hello, burger. We have some French fries. Okay, and there's mommy. Okay, look at mommy. I have something for mommy. Can you take a video of mommy, please? I have a surprise for mommy. Yes, daddy never runs out of surprises. So, here we go. We're ready.
Churchareran, daddy.
Okay. I guess this is the day. This is the day. Look. That is
Going to park.
that
going
that is on his knees. And you know what a guy does when he's on his knees? He's gonna pull out something. What is this something? This. Look at mommy, oh. Look at mommy lang. Here is your surprise.